Today I show you how to use the 4-finger gesture to swap between apps easily, just like this. You can change between apps on your iPad. You can use 4 fingers on your iPad to change between apps, to multitask, change between one task or the other, or you can use this navigation bar here. The navigation bar will work every time, but the 4 gestures swap might not work in some cases. Here, for example, it's changing to another weather location, so I could change like this. So if I do 4 fingers right, it changes to settings. Then I do 4 fingers left, it doesn't really change. So this is the swap. You can use the 4-finger gesture to swap between apps, but actually the navigation bar is much easier and more precise. Also with the navigation bar, you know exactly where you're going. But with the navigation bar, you can easily change from one app to another, but you can also use the 4-finger gesture navigation if you want. This is one option. Thanks for watching.